how to delete all Instagram messages at once if you find this useful. Then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here are mine. I haven't got that many there, but we can still do it. So to go and do this, come to your profile page. So now what you need to do is go to the top right and tap on the three lines. So to get to your settings and activity, now you need to go and scroll down. What we need to do is we need to go and temporarily switch our account into a professional account. You can always is going and turn this off afterwards. It's just that this type of account has the feature we need. So tap on account type and tools. Then what you need to do is tap on switch to professional account at the top. Press next at the bottom. Choose what best described to you, and you can then tap on switch to professional account. Choose what type of professional you are. It doesn't matter. But I'll go for creator, so we're now a professional account. We can know that as we'll go and see the professional dashboard. So we can go and tap on the home button in the bottom left and swipe across. Now what you can do is you can go and click on those three lines in the top right, like so. And that means we can go and select multiple messages at one time. Now you can go and select all of your messages, so it doesn't take long at all. And you can go to the bottom right, tap on delete. And you can then confirm and decision to go and delete them from your inbox.